Moving house? Don't leave your broadband behind. This section is your quick start guide to transferring your Vodafone broadband service. First, contact Vodafone at least 30 days before your move via the My Vodafone app, their website, or by calling 08080 034 515. Provide your new address and move-in date. This early notice is crucial. Vodafone will then check broadband availability at your new place. Are you eligible for full fiber, ultrafast, or standard broadband? If not, they'll offer alternatives like 5G home broadband. Get these checks done in advance and also be prepared to check your new home's existing speeds. Key takeaway: early planning prevents internet downtime disasters. Let's explore the practical side of moving your Vodafone broadband. If your new address supports your current broadband type, Vodafone will reassign your line. Installation might involve an engineer visit to set up new hardware, like a Vodafone Wi-Fi 6 router, especially if you're upgrading. Moving typically costs £25 to £50 for equipment and potential engineer visits. Transfers are usually free for contract holders, but out-of-contract customers may face setup fees, so check your contract. Self-install kits are often available to save on installation fees, around £50. These kits include everything you need for a DIY setup. A common mistake is forgetting to test your speeds after setup. Use the Vodafone app to ensure everything is working correctly. Also, be prepared for delays if you are moving to a rural area due to broadband differences. Here are some key takeaways. Update your billing address and explore add-ons like Boost. Always test speeds after setup using the Vodafone app. Rural moves may have delays, plan accordingly. Self-install kits can save you £50, and check contract status to avoid unexpected fees.